गुड आफ्टरनून क्लास आज क्लास 12 मैनेजमेंट को स्टुडेन्टलाई फाइनल एक्जाममा सपोर्ट गर्ने 5 मार्क्समा नै सोधिने लिनियर प्रोग्रामिङको बारेमा डिस्कस गर्न गइरहेको छु। लिनियर प्रोग्रामका प्रब्लम गर्नुभन्दा पहिला केही पोइन्टहरू सम्झनु पर्ने हुन्छ। ती पोइन्टको बारेमा हामी पहिला डिस्कस गर्छौँ। 1 नम्बर x is greater than or equal to 0, it represents right side from the line x equal to 0. X equal to 0 is this line is y-axis. X equal to 0 means this line is y-axis. X is greater than or equal to 0 means it represents the right side from the line x equal to 0 or y-axis. 2 number is x is greater than or equal to 4. It represents the right side from the line x equal to 4. X equal to 4, this line is parallel to y-axis and greater than or equal to sign is here, therefore it represents the right side from the line x equal to 4. X is less than or equal to 0, it represents the left side from the line x equal to 0 or y-axis. X is there is less than or equal to 0, therefore it represents the left side from the line x equal to 0. X is less than or equal to minus 3, it represents the left side from the line x equal to minus 3. There is less than sign, then it represents the left side, and x equal to minus 3, this line is also parallel to y-axis. 5 number, y is greater than or equal to 0, it represents above from the line y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 is this line is x-axis. Y is greater than or equal to 0 means it represents above from the line y equal to 0 or x-axis. 6 number, y is greater than or equal to 2. It represents above from the line y equal to 2. Y equals to 2 is this line is parallel to x-axis. Y is greater than or equal to 2 means it represents above from the line y equal to 2. 7 number is y is less than or equal to minus 2. It represents below from the line y equal to minus 2. Y equal to minus 2, this line is parallel to x-axis. And less than or equal to means it represents below from the line y equal to minus 2. 8 number. X is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 4. It means it represents the right side from the line x equal to 0 and left side from the line x equal to 4. Here is x is greater than or equal to 0, like 1 number. Therefore, it represents the right side from the line x equal to 0. And x is less than or equal to minus 4, like 4 number. It represents the left side from the line x equal to 4. X equal to 0 and x equal to 4, both lines are parallel to y-axis. Hence, the area lies between these two lines. 9 number, y is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 6. It represents above from the line y equal to 0 and below from the line y equal to 6. Y is greater than or equal to 0 means this is same with 5 numbers, and less than or equal to 6 is similar with 7 number. Therefore, it represents above from the line y equal to 0 and below from the line y equal to 6. Question number 10 is 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 6. 1 to 9, then only one variable is there. In question number 10, there are the two variables. 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 6. We can do these questions. Solution, given inequality 2x plus 3y less than or equal to 6. The boundary line of 2x plus 3y less than or equal to 6 is 2x plus 3y equal to 6. Here is less than or equal to, here we have to write equal table. In this equation, if x equal to 0, then 2 multiply 0 is 0, 3y equal to 6, y equal to 2. Therefore, if x equal to 0, then y equal to 2, so the point is 0, 2. Here is 0, here is 2. Here, if y equal to 0, then 2x plus 3 multiply 0, 0 equals 6. It means 2x equals 6, x equals 3. If y equals 0, then x equals 3. So the point is 3, 0. Testing points. Take the testing point 0, 0 on 2x plus 3y less than or equal to 6. 2 multiply 0 plus 3 multiply 0 less than or equal to 6, or 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 6, or 0 is less than or equal to 6, this relation is true. It represents towards the testing points. Then we can draw the graph of these inequalities. First, we have to draw this. This one is this vertical line is y-axis, and this horizontal line is x-axis. Uh, Given inequality intersect 2 points. One point is 0, comma 2. 0, comma 2 lies on y-axis. 0, 0, comma 1, 0, comma 2. Point B is 0, comma 2. And next point is 3, comma 0. This lies on x-axis. Point A is 3, comma 0. Then we can draw the lines. This line or passes through the AB. We take the testing point 0, comma 0, and these satisfy the relations, true relation there. Therefore, it represents towards the testing points. This thread area represents the given inequalities. If the two variables has come in this way, then we can do same process. Question number 1. This one is very important question for 5 marks. Find the maximum and minimum value of the objective function z equals x plus 7y with given constants minus x plus 2y less than or equal to 8, x minus y less than or equal to 4, x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. This one is objective function and these four are the inequalities. First, we write the language of these four inequalities. Given objective function z equals x plus 7y and constants or inequalities are minus x plus 2y less than equal to 8, x minus y less than equal to 4, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. First, we write the language of x greater than or equal to 0. It represents the right side from the line x equals 0. Y greater than or equal to 0, it represents above from the line y equal to 0. Then we take these inequalities. This inequality is minus x plus 2y less than or equal to 8. The boundary line of minus x plus 2y less than or equal to 8 is minus x plus 2y equal to 8. The table is in these inequalities, first time we put x equal to 0. If x equal to 0, then here is 2y equal to 8, y equal to 4. So the point is 0, comma 4. In this table, x is 0, y is 4. And in this equation, next time we put y equal to 0, then minus x plus 2 multiplied 0 equal to 8, minus x equal to 8, x equal to minus 8. If y equal to 0, then x equal to minus 8. So the point is minus 8, comma 0. Taking testing points 0, comma 0 on minus x plus 2y less than equal to 8, minus 0 plus 2 multiply 0 less than equal to 8, 0 plus 0 less than equal to 8, 0 is less than or equals 8. This is true. It represents towards the testing points. There are four inequalities. We write the language of 3. This one, this, and this we write here. Then next remaining is x minus 4, sorry, x minus y is less than or equal to 4. Next one is x minus y less than or equal to 4. The boundary line of x minus y less than or equal to 4 is x minus y equals 4. Table is first we take x equal to 0, then minus y equal to 4, y equal to minus 4. So the point is 0, comma minus 4 in this table, 0, minus 4. Next time we put here y equal to 0, then x equal to 4. So the point is 4, comma 0 in table. This one is 4, this one is 0. Taking the testing point 0, comma 0 on x minus y less than or equal to 4. Therefore, 0 minus 0 less than or equal to 4. 0 is less than or equal to 4. This is true. It represents towards the testing points. We write the language of four inequalities. Then we make the graph. For a graph, we need these 4 points here. X is greater than or equal to 0. This language is, it represents the right side from the line x equal to 0. Y is greater than or equal to 0. It represents above from the line y equal to 0. Minus x plus 2y less than or equal to 8. It represents towards the testing points. These points are 0, 4 and minus 8, 0. And next one is x minus y less than or equal to 4. Less than or equal to 4 means this point is 0, minus 4 and 4, 0. We can look at graph. This one is y-axis. This line is x-axis. First one is x is greater than or equal to 0. It means, or we can write in figure also. Look here, x is getting equal to 0 means this one is y-axis. This line is x equal to 0. It represents right sides towards the origins, means we can do this one is like this. Look here. Next one is y is greater than or equal to 0. Y is greater than or equal to 0 means x-axis. This line is x-axis. It represents above from the line y equal to 0. Next one is 0, 8. 0, 8 is in this figure. This point is 0, 8. Sorry, 0, 4. This point, and next point is minus 8, there is 2, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, and this one is minus 8, 0. This point, then we can join this. Sorry, we can draw this line. This lines, and it represents towards the testing points, means it represents below the testing points. Here is testing points. First one, tell me this side. Second, this is off side, and this goes to below from this line. And next one is 0, minus 4. 0, minus 4 is this point. Minus 2, minus 4. Minus 4 is this point. 4, 0 is this point. Then we can draw this line. From here, and it represents towards testing points. This one is testing points, means it lies above. Look here. First tell me like this side, second tell me off side, third one this side, and fourth one this side. This third area is feasible regions or common area. This one is feasible regions or common area. Or we can say, look here. Look here. Therefore, this O, A, B, C is a feasible regions. Okay, O, A, B, C is a feasible region. Its vertices are O is 0, 0, A is 4, 0, B is 16, 12. Look here, this one is 16, this one is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. This point is 16, 12, and this point is 2, 4. This one is 0, 4. Then maximize the function z equal to x plus 7y, and 8 is O 0, 0. Then z equal to 0 plus 7 multiply 0 is therefore 8 O 0, 0. z equal to 0 plus 7 multiplied 0 is 0. 8a 4 comma 0, this point is 4 plus 7 multiplied 0 equals 4 plus 0 equals 4. 8 point b 16 comma 12, this point is 16 comma 12, then x is 16 plus 7 multiply y is 12, 16 plus 84 equals 100. 8 0 comma 4 point c is, this point is 0 comma 4, then the z equal to 0 plus 7 multiply 4 equals 0 plus 28 equals 28. Then the function z is maximum 8 points p 16 comma 12 and maximum value is 100 and minimum 8.0, and minimum value is 0. यसरी हामीले लिनियर प्रोग्रामको लङ क्वेसन गर्न सक्छौँ र यस्तैबाट इक्जाममा कहिलेकाहीँ फाइन्ड द म्याक्सिमम भ्यालु, फाइन्ड द मिनिमम भ्यालु, फाइन्ड द एक्सट्रिम भ्यालु अथवा अप्टिमम भ्यालु भनेर सोध्ने गर्छ र यस्तोबाट एउटा 5 मार्क्स क्वेसन सधैँ गर्ने गर्छ। क्लास 12 म्यानेजमेन्टको विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरूले यस्ता क्वेसनहरू राम्ररी हेऱ्यो भने एउटा लङ क्वेसन फर्मुला सुरु हुनेछ र आज हामी यति नै गर्छौँ। थ्याङ्क यू दिस मच।